Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Audible subscription and stop recurring charges, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly terminate your membership through your account settings. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to audible.com. You cannot cancel through the Audible mobile app. Step 2. Sign into your Audible account using your Amazon credentials since Audible is owned by Amazon. Step 3. Hover over your name in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 4. On your account page, locate the Cancel Membership link under your Membership Details section. Step 5. Click Cancel Membership to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Audible will present options to keep your membership, such as switching to a different plan or pausing your membership for up to 3 months. Step 7. If you still want to cancel, click Continue to Cancel or select a reason for canceling from the options provided. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation on the final screen. You'll receive a confirmation email, and you can continue using Audible until the end of your current billing period. Your credits and library books remain accessible even after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.